And I will say that I wish that gas was still 409, but we're not going to get into that.
That's a different song.
Yeah, I know. All right, well, let's get some giddy up out there with the forecast. We will have the chance for some rain. Actually, I was just talking with Gabriella off camera about this, and it does look like we're going to get a little window of some dry weather, but there could be a little rain towards the end of the concert, maybe a little bit at the beginning. But right now, it's looking like there could be a window between about 7 and 10 where we have a little dry time. But again, it's kind of a not a short window, but kind of a narrow window. So I'm not going to rule them out entirely. Let's just put it that way. So take the ponchos with you. But you can see a lot of rain across the area as we take a look at the wider view. And we do have a few showers right now starting to make their way in town. We are watching out, too, for a few stronger storms this afternoon. So we're going to have to watch out for that. Slight risk for some stronger storms this afternoon. So we're going to be tracking that. And it does look like we are also going to be looking at the threat for some stronger storms. As I mentioned, for some reason, the wrong show loaded up. Gotta love it on a Thursday. Anyway, here's that rain coming through here. Let me show you what's going on with the bigger picture. As we zoom on in, you can see a little bit of light shower activity as you move down 71, a little bit out right now towards Wilmington, and also some rain showing up here in town. Dublin, tracking some rain just to the east of Hilliard on its way towards Gahanna. You can see most of it north of I-70. And here's kind of what we are looking at with the severe weather threats this evening. We have a low risk for spin-ups, a low risk for hail. Really, the biggest threat we're looking at would be that threat for some stronger winds with this, some damaging straight line winds. And you can kind of see a little moisture trying to show up here on the camera. We've had a couple of sprinkles out there, a couple light showers here in town. The temperature's 70 degrees. So, yeah, it's 70. It's pretty mild. Dew point, 63. And you may have felt it yesterday, a little muggier than it has been. We had those dew points in the mid-60s. We're going to be in the low in the mid-60s as well today. So that's when it starts to get a little sticky out there, a little muggy, and that also adds to the instability. So we'll be watching out for that. But pretty cloudy right now as we look out from Scioto Audubon Metro Park with temperatures 66 in Delaware. We are looking at the mid-60s in London with some light rain, mid to upper 60s across much of the area to right around 70. Hour by hour, we'll still drop a few degrees before we start to rebound to the 70-degree range by the time we hit 9. A little bit of rain in the late morning, a little more as we head on into the afternoon with some showers and storms becoming a little more widespread through the afternoon. And, yeah, we're kind of in and out of the rain. It's not going to be an all-day washout, but we're definitely going to have more dry time than wet time, especially through the afternoon. We hit 78. Once that rain starts to roll in, temperatures fall back into the mid-70s, but off and on rain throughout the day, so keep the umbrella handy. Again, you're not going to necessarily need it all day long, but you're definitely going to need to keep an eye to the sky. Looks like we're going to be seeing a few stronger storms later on in the day this afternoon, and more off and on rain on Friday as well. It looks like the steadiest rain, though, will hit early on Friday, and then some rain, some storms linger into the afternoon. Not quite as widespread, but still some downpours. Can't be ruled out tomorrow afternoon. We jump ahead towards the beginning of next month. Good shot at above average temperatures and near normal precipitation. So your hour-by-hour forecast looking like this. We have a few showers developing in the late morning, 74 by lunchtime. Here we have 4 o'clock. We're at about 76 with that rain starting to really push in. Here's 7. You can see some scattered showers and storms around the area with some of that rain kind of taking a little break through the first part of the overnight, but then more rain will redevelop as we get on into the day tomorrow, and we're going to be in and out of the rain tomorrow afternoon. So we got red today and tomorrow. Again, it's not going to rain straight through. This is not going to be 48 hours of rain, but definitely going to need that umbrella over the next 48 hours. We're going to be in and out of some showers, some storms. 78 today, 73 on Friday. We're drying out early on Saturday morning. After that, clouds slowly break up through the afternoon, 74. 82, feeling like summer on Sunday, and the unofficial start to summer, Memorial Day weekend. Well, we're up to 88 degrees by Monday. It's going to be hot and muggy. We have the potential for the 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Notice that we get into a drier pattern, but a hot pattern as we get on into the middle of the 10-day forecast. We start to cool off a little bit. Could see a few pop-ups on Thursday and Friday. Still kind of looking at any sort of changes with that, so keep checking back, rather, and we'll get you updates as necessary. 80 next Friday. We're back into the 70s next weekend.